Here is a tornado roaming around the wild. And today we're gonna see who survives and who dies to the epic tornado, man. Rush to the end to see what happens next. Wow! Yeah, let's get into this, man. Now, as you can see, there's this helpless monkey, and then he knows oh no, the tornado! You better get out there. And whoa, he's gone. Now, as you can see, there's these helpless dogs in front of a tornado, and whoa, they're gone. Subscribe for a part 2, man.